Kaizer Chiefs family, Kaizer Chiefs supporters, I have some good news. I also have some bad news. Kaizer Chiefs are about to sign another striker if the rumors are true. So make sure you stay tuned to the video and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump straight into it. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Consistent Podcast. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from a great town. So namhlanje nginiphathele zona zishisa as always bafethu. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel, like the video, subscribe, comment down below. Ngiyanicela bafethu. Subscribing is for free, mahala. You just click the button and you are subscribed. Not even a shroom, not even a cent. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I have some good news and also bad news. So I think I will have to start with the bad news. Yeah, I think benbona on social medias rumors circulating on uWandile Duba. uWandile Duba ke kuthiwa uhehe ama-team alapha e-Saudi Arabia, and nani niyazi ukuthi kukancane ngampela uma kufika i-team yase-Saudi Arabia izokufuna uthi no, because they have imali. So Wandile Duba might leave Kaizer Chiefs, but the thing is I'm not sure ukuthi he will leave Kaizer Chiefs this summer or next summer. Why do I say this is a bad news? Because we all know majority of Kaizer Chiefs fans, they love uWandile Duba. I'm sure many Kaizer Chiefs fans love this guy, but when you hear rumors stating that he might go and leave Kaizer Chiefs, we will all be sad, of course. But on the brighter side, he will go and explore, learn, and also get to earn some money, of course. And also Kaizer Chiefs will earn plenty of money because it's our talent, and also it's Saudi, of course. So we are investing on him. So yeah, if you look at the brighter side of the story, but the bad side is that we are losing our fighter, guys. We are losing the man who is playing for the bench. I'm not saying other players are not playing for the bench, but this guy, he's a fighter. He loves Kaizer Chiefs, and he's fighting for his place, his work rate, his physicality, his speed. I know ukuthi ubengakafiki at babiza ngani ubengakafiki at that point ukuthi we can call him a great player, but he is a very, very good player. Whether you start him or whether he's coming off the bench, but that guy will fight, he will deliver, he will bully defenders. So I am sad about these rumors stating that Wandile Duba might go. So ngoba sazi ukuthi we have about 5 strikers, if I'm not mistaken. It's Morris, Duba, Hlongwane, Dupreez, and also Da Silva, the new guy. So if Wandile Duba is going, that will leave us about 4 strikers, and Morris is injured. Hlongwane doesn't get a lot of game times. Oh, I also forgot to count Itios Ikotaro, so it's about 6 strikers. So Morris is injured, and I don't see him playing anytime soon. Itios Ikotaro injured. Hlongwane not getting much of game time, but we hope he will get game time. So we have about 4 strikers left, or 3 strikers left. We need that Wandile Duba to stay, but as fans we want him to stay, but the club, if they decide to let him go, it's fine. But I'm not sure what is he going this summer, but because his transfer window is closed, or he is going on January. let's wait and see. On the good news, guys, these are the good news. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe now, because I'm about to give you some good news. Subscribe, thank you, it's mahala for free. So in good news is Khanyisa Mayo. Yes, Khanyisa Mayo. Khanyisa Mayo, he's been the target of Kaizer Chiefs for maybe 3 or 2 seasons, but now it seems like everything is falling into Kaizer Chiefs' favor, if I may say, because his club, apparently CR Belouizdad, told him that he is not on their plans for this season or for the future. Just like what Coach Nabi said about Obom Mthethwa and other guys, and they improved. So they ended up staying at Kaizer Chiefs. But in this case of Khanyisa Mayo, in those side of Africa, England, Egypt, not England, Egypt, where up North Africans, if the coach or umphathi weclub ethi you are not in our plans for this season or the future, they don't even give you a chance to even go to the bench. They just let you stay there, run down your contracts, and release you. But in this case, they told Khanyisa Mayo he can go and join a club. He's free to join a club of his choice. But if he wants to stay and run down his contracts, that is also acceptable for them. So it's all up to Mayo. But the good news I have for you is that Kaizer Chiefs are after Khanyisa Mayo. One move, one blink, Kaizer Chiefs are on top of him. And if he terminates his contract there and leave as a free agent, we'll get him noma kuthiwa iwindi livaliwe, because free agents, you can sign them anytime of the season. So let's hope this thing or this saga continues to happen, so that Khanyisa Mayo can come to Kaizer Chiefs, of course. And also remember what we are going in the year of World Cup. So players want to get play time, babies esquadini, and improve and get a call up when it is a World Cup. So Khanyisa Mayo will be one of those players to watch, because I don't think he will want to stay on the bench or on the reserves and watch other players play. He will want to come and play and improve, so that Coach Madala Hugo Broos can select him for a World Cup next year, 2026. So this is a crucial situation, and also a decision needs to be made by Khanyisa Mayo and his agent and everyone around him to make a decision right now, because he will want to play and he will want to participate in the 2026 World Cup. So Kaizer Chiefs, this is a chance to go and sign him. We all know about his quality and whatsoever. There's no need to no. Sign him now, introduce him to the team, let him play, and let him get a 2026 World Cup national call-up. So please guys, if you like the news I had for you, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, and make sure ukuthi you watch my last video, and I'll see you on another video. Danko.